Heavy rainfall in Gujarat's Vadodara has resulted in the cancellation of several trains, causing significant difficulties for travellers. Districts including Vadodara, Anand, Kheda and Panchmahals received very heavy rainfall on Monday, causing waterlogging in several low-lying areas, leaving people stranded.
बहुत बुरी तरीके से फंसे हैं। रात को 2:30 बजे हमारी ट्रेन है पटना के लिए, जो अहमदाबाद से पटना को जाती है। पर जो बाढ़ की परिस्थिति है, बरसात जो हो रही है, इसके वजह से कई सारी ट्रेनें कैंसिल हुई हैं, जिसकी वजह से हमें काफ़ी मुसीबतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है।
मुझे बड़ौदा से अहमदाबाद जाने का था। मैं शाम को 6 बजे से खड़ा हूँ, पर अभी ट्रेन बहुत लेट है। हम प्रशासन से बात की और बोलते हैं कि अभी आएगी, पर हम लोग कितने घंटे से हम लोग यहाँ पे ही खड़े हैं।
The India Meteorological Department has forecast widespread and intense rainfall over the next 2 to 3 days and warned of heavy to very heavy rains with isolated extremely heavy rains in several districts till Thursday morning. In view of the red alert issued by the IMD, all collectors have been asked to cancel leaves taken by their staff. The State Education Department has declared a holiday for primary schools across the state on Tuesday. Incessant heavy rains have battered several parts of Gujarat with 3 people dead so far and 7 missing in rain-related incidents with hundreds shifted to safer places.
Heavy rainfall continued to batter several parts of Gujarat on Monday, bringing normal life to a standstill. In Kutch, heavy rain was reported in Nakhrana and Mandvi, with over 7 inches of rain recorded in Nakhrana alone after midnight. A car was seen being swept away by flood waters near the Nakhrana bus station area in Kutch. It was rescued only through the quick response of the local residents here. Although the rain subsided later in the day, allowing for water drainage, an appeal was issued by the Kutch collector requesting citizens to exercise extreme caution. Citing safety concerns, residents were urged to stay indoors and avoid going out for sightseeing or crossing causeways and small bridges during the Janmashtami celebrations. With predictions of heavy to very heavy rain over the next 3 days, the administration continues to remain on high alert.
પરંતુ મારી બધાને વિનંતી છે કે ખાસ જ્યારે અત્યારે જન્માષ્ટમીનો માહોલ છે તો જે રીતની વરસાદની ગજવીજ સાથે વરસાદની આગાહી અત્યારે છે તો કૃપા કરીને પોતાના ઘરથી બિનજરૂરી બહાર નીકળવા ટાળે. હરવા ફરવા કે જોવા કોઈ જગ્યા જળાશયના નજીક ના જાય. ખાસ કરીને કોઈ કોઝવે અથવા પાપડી હોય જેના ઉપરથી પાણી વહેતું હોય તો એને જોખમી રીતે ક્રોસ ના કરે. સમગ્ર વહીવટી તંત્રને અલર્ટ કરવામાં આવ્યું છે. તલાટીઓને ગામે રહેવા સૂચના આપવામાં આવેલી છે. પ્રાંતોને મામલતદારોને અલર્ટ રહેવા સૂચના આપવામાં આવેલી છે. સતત દરેક ગામમાં આપણે અલર્ટ ઉપર છીએ.
In view of the Weather Department's forecast of heavy rainfall in the region, a team of National Disaster Response Force has been deployed in Bhavnagar. The 30-member NDRF team is equipped to respond to any emergency situation that may arise due to the heavy rain. The team is on standby to assist in waterlogged areas and evacuate people if needed. The Valsad district has been experiencing heavy rains for the last 24 hours, especially in the Dharmapur and Kabda areas. There has been an increase in the flow of the Auranga river, putting those living along the riverbanks in distress. Barricades have been put up by the police as the river continues to flow over the Kailash Road bridge. Flooding and waterlogging was seen in areas like Hanuman Bhagda, Taria Ward, Kashmira Nagar, Leelapur and Bardia Ward.
बहुत ही ख़राब स्थिति है। आने जाने का रास्ता सब बंद, और रास्ते जो ख़राब होते वो अलग, और इतना पानी, यहाँ तक पानी था कल मैं यहाँ पे आया तो अभी जाए कैसे और आए कैसे। अगर पानी के पहले आ गया तो दुकान बचा सकते, माल बचा सकते, लेकिन आने में अगर देर हो गई और पानी आ गया तो नया दुकान खोल सकते, ना माल बचा सकते। इतनी ख़राब परेशानी यहाँ पे, और गवर्नमेंट उसके लिए कुछ करती भी नहीं है।
An NDRF team deployed in the district helped rescue a pregnant woman from Hanuman Bhagda extension. She was later taken to the hospital.
आज जैसा कि इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली थी कि एक प्रेग्नेंट महिला है और उसको हमें वहाँ से रेस्क्यू करके निकालना है, तो हमारे रेस्क्यूअर ने उसको बोट के माध्यम से निकाल लिया।
According to the district administration, more than 1,100 people have been relocated to shelter homes so far. Trees have been uprooted and more than 150 roads closed across several areas in the district. Ahmedabad received 108 millimeters of rain over a 24-hour period. The downpour has caused severe waterlogging in many parts of the city, disrupting normal life. The upscale area of Prahlad Nagar is inundated. The waterlogging is causing inconvenience to residents and commuters alike, with many areas becoming inaccessible. Meetha Khali Char Rasta, a key intersection in the city, is flooded, causing traffic congestion and increasing commuters' woes. Other areas of the city also experience similar conditions, with waterlogging reported in low-lying areas and roads. The Indian Meteorological Department has forecast continued rainfall in the region with a high alert issued for the next 24 hours. Residents are advised to stay indoors and avoid travelling unless necessary. The Ahmedabad authorities have been working towards mitigating the situation, but the city's infrastructure is being put to the test by the relentless rainfall.